Bitcoin is seeing a nice little bounce after it bottomed out around $92,100 yesterday. We have some slight bullish sentiment in the market right now, and we're going to go over what this looks like and whether or not we're likely to see a further drop down or finally a bounce back to the upside. We're going to prepare you for whatever situation happens so you can be ready to make profit no matter what happens. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we've earned 314 wins and 0 losses. Now, this was with our older set of indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, the price versus vol money flow, and the trades in favor indicators. This combination of indicators is absolutely insane, but the brand new market cycle highs and lows, the pro trade manager, these blow accuracy of the old indicators completely out of the water. It's not even funny, guys. We've already gotten some traders saying they've earned $12,000 plus with the indicators already. We have our Black Friday indicator sale live, and I'll tell you more about that later. And with that, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the pro trade manager. The market cycle highs and lows is going to replace your price line right here. This is the exact price line that you would usually see from TradingView. Replaces that price line with something that shows market sentiment. Right now, we are in mild caution. We know this because this line is purple. This means we're just below neutral and retail traders are getting a little antsy. We've seen pretty significant price drops, so I'm not surprised to see that at all. However, if we drop into caution or even concern, this is where retail traders are getting really scared. However, those of you that have been in the crypto market for a while know that when retail traders are feeling scared, when they're feeling nervous, when they're doubting what the market is looking like, this is when most whale traders are going to swoop in and begin buying back up. Whale traders buy on your fear. When you are panic selling, this is where whales are buying back in, because this means these lower prices mean they get discount crypto and get to pump the price up while they're in the market and you are completely out because you sold when you were scared. And that's understandable. I get that feeling of fear. But when you're feeling caution, concern, fear, max fear, that is when you should really be looking to buy. I know it sounds backwards. And of course, this is not financial advice, but this is what we've seen repeatedly. Check this out. Mild caution, purple, is where we're seeing massive moves up. Back here, purple, boom, move up. Right down here, purple, move up, purple, move up. And this is just the daily time frame. You are going to see this purple, major move up. You're going to see similar results on other time frames too. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Let's auto adjust so we can see it a little more clearly. Here we are. All right, on the 4 hour time frame, we actually dropped into fear just barely, and this was an ideal entry opportunity for our traders. Now, fear is extremely rare on the daily time frame. It's more common on the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is going to give you a little bit more of a detailed view. For now, though, because of the larger macroeconomic things happening in the market, because of the larger moves down in the larger economy, we are focusing on the daily time frame. If we get a blue caution reading, this is where we need to be prepared for the price to shoot back up, at least within the next few days. That's what we're seeing on the market cycle highs and lows. From the Pro Trade Manager, we are looking for green dots. What do you notice from each of these green dots? Well, they correlate to moves up, major move up, big move up, decent move up, pretty solid move up. We got a big move up, we got a little move up, and we're already seeing a small move up from this green dot. This is the first green dot, however, that I think we are going to see continued drops from. And that's because we did not get green bars indicating major oversold large buy opportunity readings. You want to see a series of green bars, at least one green bar, but ideally multiple, before you see a green dot. And once that happens, That is going to be your ideal entry signal from the Pro Trade Manager. You can see both of these. The market cycle highs and lows and Pro Trade Manager are almost 100% accurate on their own. Not quite there, but pretty darn close. So when you combine them, when you're getting green dots and purple readings, this is where you're likely to see massive moves in the market. The last time we got purple readings, which is mild caution with the Pro Trade Manager posting green dots, the price absolutely exploded from the bottom all the way to the absolute next top, 63% on Bitcoin. Let's set some alerts. This could be a great entry opportunity. We could see moves up, but personally, I'm looking for a move down into caution before looking at any real entries. We're going to head to alerts. And what I want you to do is head to create alert. We're going to switch this to market cycles. We want to see caution, once per bar close, and click create. The other alert under Bitcoin again, we're going to be looking from the Pro Trade Manager for a long entry short take profit signal. Once per bar close, click create. This alert will let you know when we get a blue reading. This alert will let you know when we get a green dot. And if we can get those pretty close to the same time, that is going to be your ideal entry opportunity. We're not quite there yet, but we are very, very close. Guys, do not miss out on what happens next. You need to have these indicators loaded up on your chart, and now is the time to snag them for our Black Friday indicator sale. Our members get the maximum discount on top of money-making benefits like the brand new future forecast posted today. Timing the bottom of Bitcoin and altcoins. These charts have done it every single time. We are tracking 4 charts that we believe will signal the stop of the Bitcoin and altcoin bleeding and make 4 incredible entries. Guys, do not miss this future forecast. Do not miss new trade setups, and do not miss maximum discounts for the Black Friday sale. All you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. And for the Black Friday sale, you are saving $200 off each the new AI indicators, the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows. These are the indicators we used in today's video. You're also going to get $200 off the volume bubbles chart to track major whale orders. The indicators below are the exact ones that we use in our 314 win, 0 loss trading strategy. And this is the Pro Indicator Pack. You're getting $250 off, and you're getting $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. Purchase of either of these packs get you 60% off each of the AI indicators as well. So if you're a member and have purchased these indicators before, we are honoring that and giving you massive discounts from the new AI indicators. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Be ready. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.